Angel investor agreements are the cornerstone of startup funding, defining the critical relationship between investors and entrepreneurs. But what exactly do these agreements entail, and why are they so crucial for both parties? Angel investor agreements are legal documents that outline the terms and conditions between an investor and a startup. They serve as a roadmap for the relationship, covering essential elements like investment amount, equity distribution, voting rights, and exit strategies. These agreements are typically summarized in a non-binding document called a term sheet, which is usually about 10 pages long for angel investments. Term sheets contain several key provisions that are vital for both investors and startups. These include anti-dilution protection, drag-along rights, liquidation preferences, board composition, investment round size, and share pricing. The goal is to create a win-win situation for both parties, balancing the investor's need for protection and return on investment with the startup's need for flexibility and growth. When drafting an angel investor agreement, several key clauses must be carefully considered. The equity stake and dilution clause outlines the percentage of equity the investor will receive and addresses potential dilution in future funding rounds. Board seat and voting rights clauses define the investor's level of control in the company's governance. Liquidation preference determines the order in which investors get paid in case of a liquidation event. Other important clauses include anti-dilution protection, which adjusts the investor's equity stake if new shares are issued at a lower valuation, and conversion rights for investments structured as convertible notes. Exit strategy clauses outline scenarios for investor exit, while information rights specify the type and frequency of company updates provided to investors. Vesting schedules for founder shares may also be included. While these agreements are crucial, startups often make several common mistakes that can have long-term repercussions. One major error is overlooking legal advice and using standard agreements without proper consultation. This can lead to unfavorable terms or potential legal issues down the line. Neglecting to define clear exit strategies can result in disputes when investors wish to exit the investment. Inadequate anti-dilution provisions can leave early investors vulnerable to significant equity dilution in later funding rounds. Unclear equity terms can create misunderstandings between the startup and the investor, potentially harming their relationship. Finally, failing to account for future funding needs and their impact on existing agreements can lead to issues with investor relations and equity management. Given the complexity and importance of angel investor agreements, it's crucial for both startups and investors to seek professional legal advice. These agreements shape the future of the company and the investment, making it essential to get them right from the start. By understanding the key elements and avoiding common pitfalls, both parties can create a solid foundation for a successful partnership and business growth.